Internet computer value equivalent to $8.021 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $7.7782 to $8.0789. The earlier day close $7.9262. The change was plus 0, so 759 plus 0, 96%. Reverse rate as to IP dollar to Internet computer figure for September 2024. To start with, cost at 0.229 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.276, while lows in 0.229. They found the middle value of cost 0.248. The US to IP gauge toward the month's end 0.257. Change for September 12th, 2%. US to IP expectation for October 2024. To start with, cost at 0.257 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.329, while lows in 0.257. They found the middle value of cost 0.287. The US to IP gauge toward the month's end 0.306. Change for October 19th, 1%. Dollar to Internet computer gauge for November 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.306 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.306, while lows in 0.246. They found the middle value of cost at 0.281. The US to IP gauge toward the month's end 0.264, change for November 13.7%. US to IP expectation for December 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.264 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.264, while lows in 0.223. They found the middle value of costs at 0.247. The US to IP estimate toward the month's ends at 0.238, change for December 9.8%. Dollar to Internet computer estimate for January 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.238 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.246, while lows in 0.214. They found the middle value of cost 0.232. The US to IP figure toward the month's end 0.229, change for January 3.8%. US to IP expectation for February 2025. Before all else, cost at 0.229 coins. Excessive cost 0.229, while lows in 0.185. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.210. The US to IP figure toward the month's end 0.197, change for February 14.0%. Dollar to Internet computer figure for WARC 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.197 coins. Excessive cost 0.197, while lows in 0.160. They arrived at the midpoint of cost at 0.182. The US to IP conjecture toward the month's end 0.172, change for spring 12.7%. US to IP expectation for April 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.172 coins. Excessive cost 0.172, while lows in 0.138. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 0.158. The US to IP figure toward the month's end 0.148, change for April 14.0%. Dollar to Internet computer figure for May 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.148 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.157, while lows in 0.136. They found the middle value of costs 0.147. The US to IP gauge toward the month's end 0.146, change for May 1.4%. US to IP expectation for June 2025. Initially cost at 0.146 coins. Excessive cost 0.151, while lows in 0.131. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.142. The US to IP figure toward the month's end 0.140, change for June 4.1%. Dollar to Internet computer figure for July 2025. Initially cost at 0.140 coins. Excessive cost 0.147, while lows in 0.128. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.138. The US to IP gauge toward the month's end 0.136, change for July 2.9%. US to IP expectation for August 2025. To start with, cost at 0.136 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.142, while lows in 0.124. They found the middle value of cost 0.134. The US to IP gauge toward the month's end 0.132, change for August 2.9%. Dollar to Internet computer gauge for September 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.132 coins. exorbitant cost 0.137, while lows and 0.119. They found the middle value of cost 0.129. The US to IP gauge toward the month's end 0.127, change for September 3.8%. US to IP expectation for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.127 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.127, while lows at 0.102. They found the middle value of cost 0.117. The US to IP estimate toward the month's end 0.110, change for October 13.4%. Dollar to Internet Computer estimate for November 2025. To start with, cost at 0.11 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.131, while lows at 0.110. They found the middle value of cost 0.118. The US to IP estimate toward the month's end 0.122, change for November 10th, 9%. US to IP expectation for December 2025. To start with, cost at 0.122 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.136, while lows at 0.118. They found the middle value of cost 0.126. The US to IP gauge toward the month's end 0.126, change for December 3rd, 3%. Dollar to Internet Computer figure for January 2026. Before all else, cost at 0.126 coins. Excessive cost 0.126, while lows at 0.102. They arrived at the midpoint of costs of 0.116. The US to IP conjecture toward the month's end 0.109, change for January 13.5%. US to IP expectation for February 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.109 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.121, while lows at 0.105. They found the middle value of cost 0.112. The US to IP gauge toward the month's end 0.112, change for February 2nd, 8%. Dollar to Internet Computer gauge for WARC 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.112 coins. Excessive cost 0.144, while lows at 0.112. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.126. The US to IP figure toward the month's end 0.134, change for spring 19.6%. US to IP expectation for April 2026. Initially cost at 0.134 coins. Excessive cost 0.165, while lows at 0.134. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.147. The US to IP figure toward the month's end 0.154, change for April 14th, 9%. Dollar to Internet Computer gauge for May 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.154 coins. Excessive cost 0.170, while lows at 0.148. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.158. The US to IP conjecture toward the month's end 0.158, change for May 2nd,